Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to download the status of WhatsApp in your iPhone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in the WhatsApp. Here you can see the My Status button. Click on it. Now here you can see there is the three dots. Now tap on it. Here you can see there is the share option in the second one. Now tap on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see there is the save image option. Simply tap on it. Now you have saved the image on your gallery. You can go and check it out. So that's it. This is how you download the status on your WhatsApp using your iPhone. Now you can download any WhatsApp status in your iPhone with very easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.